Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you're all doing well. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my nail art and what and all I use for my nail art. So guys, actually this is a long back requested video. I couldn't do it because you can see my nails now. It wasn't like this before. It just got ruined. I went to a trip, so it was like, it is a coastal area, so due to all those salty water, weather changes, everything, and I didn't take care of my nails, so my nails just got ruined. It I told you guys in my previous video about my nails, how to grow healthier nails. If you haven't watched that yet, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can just check it out. That my nails is really very sensitive. I have to take care or else it will just get bristled down. So that's what it happened due to all those weather changes and due to the water. It just got bristled down like right next after I did my nail video. I went to a trip and all those happened. I had to wait for this long to just grow it. Even though this hasn't grown, it was just, getting bristled down. It takes time for me to come to that healthier nails side because one, like, my nails is like that, but all these have grown, and I thought I can show you some nail art. Have did this nails today. First you just watch how I did this nails today, and later I just come back. So first I'm using this base coat. It is not particularly a base coat, it is actually a top coat which we use. That also you can use. It is just to create a beautiful base to your nails. It just makes it everything perfectly. So guys, next I'm taking this black nail polish color. I'll just apply all over my nails. So guys, next just take a plate, any plate or any palette or anything, and I'm taking a gold color nail polish. I'm taking a sponge. This is from the brand Trias and it costs 120 rupees for 4 sponges, and I got it from Big Bazaar. You'll usually get it in Big Bazaar and all. So I'll take a little bit of nail polish on my plate. Take a nail polish which is little runnier, and you can see I've already done it. I'm just taking a little bit of nail polish in the sponge and just applying. First I'll apply little bit on the bottom line of my nails, and later with the same nail polish just tinching it over the top. You can just see, first I'll just create a baseline and later with a very light handedly I'll tinge it over the top line. And I already did those two, ring finger and my forefinger, where you can see I've taken a lot of nail polish. That also you can do, or else you can just take a little bit, how I did for this thumbnails, middle nail finger and my little finger. I just did that because it gives a little bit of variation. You can clearly see how I'm just dabbing it with a very little nail polish. I'm just taking little bit of nail polish and just dabbing it, and later just top it with a top coat. Now it may seem like it is not that attractive, but give it a time. After it get dried, it really looks beautiful, you guys. This is just like a monochrome thing, and black and gold looks really beautiful. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. So as guys, you just saw how I did those nails. So that's what I do. I always wear a base coat if I'm doing a nail art, because it just gives you a nice finishing. Or else I really don't use base coat if I'm just wearing a nail paint, because I don't have that much patience. That's one thing I do. It's just so easier. I just thought this is my first nail art video, so I just teach you guys like a very easy one. So that's why I choose this, so that it will be easier for you guys. So apart from that, have these two nail art kit. I actually got it from Amazon really long back. If I just get the link, I'll leave a link in the description box. I don't know from which seller I got it. If I get a similar kind of it, I'll just leave a link in this description box. So basically these are the brush sets, you guys. You can see all the brush sets, fan, the everything. I just open. You can just see all kinds of brush where you can do a really nice nail art. So this is what I use, these brushes. And for the dots, I'm using this set over here. It has right from big dots to small dots. So this is the bigger dot over here, and all those small dots, both sides it is there, and I think smallest dot. So these two I'll use. If you just don't have all these things, what you can do is, before I used to do that, you can use toothpick or you can use broomstick, not the regular broomstick what you use it for house, those coconut sticks will come, no, that those broomstick that you can use. So those two are the compensation for these. That also you can really good do a good nail art. I used to do in that. So these are the things, you guys. That's all. I mean, like, just take care of your nails, and I'll be coming up with different nail art as time goes. This is just a easy nail art. You can just do. You can do this. If you don't have sponge, you can just take a cotton. So, but wet the cotton, or else those bristles will come out, or else you can do with a cloth, any cloth you can do with that also, if you don't have a sponge. So that's all, you guys. Or else you can just use a beauty blender, which you don't use anymore, which is like orient, or you can use that also. I just find this square diamond shape of sponge really easier for nails, and I'll show you guys different colors combination of this in future days. You can see why I choose this sponge particularly. Yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please give a like to this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.